In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download folder location in DuckDuckGo browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the browser settings to point your downloads to the folder you prefer, whether that's a dedicated downloads folder, a project folder, or a drive with more space. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Make sure you're in the main browser window so you can access the app's controls. If you have multiple windows open, switch to the one you want to adjust. Look to the top right corner of the browser for the menu icon. It typically appears as three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that icon to open the browser menu. If your window is narrow, you may need to maximize it to see all menu options clearly. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the area where you can customize how DuckDuckGo behaves. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the menu options. It's usually near the bottom and labeled clearly as Settings with a gear icon in some versions. Inside Settings, go to the General section. General is where DuckDuckGo groups everyday preferences like appearance and basic behavior. Selecting General ensures we're looking at the right controls for file saving and downloads. Now, find the Download section. Here you'll see the current location where the browser saves files you download. Click the option labeled Change next to the download location. This opens your system's folder picker so you can point the browser to a new place. Think ahead about where you want files to land. Choosing a consistent folder keeps your files easier to find and can help keep your main drive from filling up. When the folder picker opens, browse to the destination you want. You can select a standard downloads folder, a folder on your desktop for quick access, or even a folder on another drive if you need more storage space. If your operating system offers it, you can create a new folder right from this window to keep things organized by project or file type. When you've highlighted the folder you want, confirm by selecting Choose or Select Folder, depending on the prompt your system shows. The browser will update the path and remember it for future downloads. That's it. You've redirected DuckDuckGo to save files where you want them. From now on, whenever you download a file, it will go to the folder you just selected, keeping your workflow tidy and your files exactly where you expect them.